When it comes to making an impact, there are few organizations as committed to serving your community as One Brooklyn Health. We've had the experts from OBH on New York Living many times to help give you vital information about your health. Today, we're joined by One Brooklyn Health CEO, Dr. Sandra Scott, to talk about providing comprehensive health care and what you can do to support the great work that they are doing. It is an honor to finally meet you, Madam CEO. Dr. Scott, welcome to New York Living.
Oh, thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here.
We love this partnership so much. We affectionately refer to it as OBH.
Yes, I
OBH,
heard that.
OBH.
I heard that.
I wonder if you could summarize the mission of One Brooklyn Health.
So One Brooklyn Health is actually a relatively new safety net health system. And so we provide access to quality health care to central Brooklyn. So it could be anything from acute inpatient hospital care to ambulatory service to psychiatry services and long-term care.
What are some of One Brooklyn Health's most recent accomplishments that you're most proud of?
So I'm really proud of our Diabetes Center of Excellence. And so you probably know that diabetes is a major killer, actually. So when you look at people who really suffer from chronic conditions, health conditions, diabetes is one of them. We provide state-of-the-art diabetes services, including technology. And then we also provide a lot of behavioral health services. So when you survey the communities of New York City, we know that mental health conditions are plaguing our communities. And so we've leaned into that and have opened 2 brand new behavioral health services.
So many different areas of healthcare that you've mentioned, and we know that One Brooklyn Health continues to grow and provide such wonderful services for the community. I wonder if you could talk to us a little bit about the funding. Where does the funding come from?
So we're what's called a safety net health system. Okay. So most of our patients are actually receiving Medicaid as their primary insurer. And I think if you've stayed on top of the politics in healthcare lately, Medicaid does not reimburse the hospitals at a rate that covers the cost of care. And so we use additional funding from the federal government, the state government, and we're here actually to ask the community to also donate to One Brooklyn Health because that helps us to expand some of the services that we provide.
So what does the community fundraising actually do or allow for you all to do as an organization?
Yeah, so it allows us to put in place innovative, cutting-edge programs. So for example, we actually have a service that comes in and provides healthy clown services for our pediatric program.
Oh, wow.
So these are entertainers who are trained in healthcare delivery, and they understand the mental challenges that our children face. And so they're healthy clowns come in, for example. And then I mentioned diabetes, so it helps us to fund community health workers and health education for the community so that they have better health outcomes.
I love this because healthcare does not look the same everywhere.
That's true.
And I love that you're doing that, bringing innovation. So what can folks at home who recognize the importance of community health care and the great work being done by One Brooklyn Health, what can these folks do at home? How can they get involved?
Absolutely. So I recommend they go to the official One Brooklyn Health website and click that donate button. And any amount helps us to continue to provide innovative services to the community. And then they can also learn about all of the other health services that we provide that I wasn't able to speak to today.
But there are plenty of them on there. Dr. Scott, it was great talking to you. Thank you so much for joining us and telling us all about One Brooklyn Health and all the work that you're doing. Don't forget, if you want to learn more or donate to support One Brooklyn Health, you can scan the QR code on your screen or visit pix11.com and click on the Pix Partners tab.